back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. For today's video, I wanted to share with you guys my August empties. Now I know I'm a little late for this, but better late than never, right? And I don't actually have that many empties to share with you guys. I've been trying out a lot of new skincare, hair care and makeup, and that's why I don't have the amount of number like I generally do. But something is better than nothing, and this is realistic, this is honest, this is raw, and I still have many reviews to share with you guys. So you very well know I'm gonna be blabbering a lot in this video. So without any further ado, if you want to know everything that I finished out in the month of August, then please keep on watching. As usual, I'm going to start off with my hair care empties, and the first empty I want to share with you guys is the reason as to why I haven't been having the amount of hair care empties like I generally do, because look at this size. This is the 580 ml packaging of Tresemme Bondplex Repair Bond Complex Shampoo, and oh my god, I really enjoyed using this, and that's why even though the size was humongous, I ended up finishing it up completely. Now this made my hair look so smooth, so shiny, so glossy, salon-like finish, like they say. It's a really nice shampoo. I really like Tresemme's Bond Repair whole range because it's very affordable and it works, and that's all we want at the end of the day. So if you're on the lookout for a new shampoo that can make your hair look shiny, smooth and frizz-free, you gotta try this one out. The second hair care empty I have comes from Love Beauty and Planet. This is their tea tree oil, peppermint and vetiver scalp purify conditioner. And I generally like all Love Beauty and Planet stuff, but this range, this whole tea tree range, has been kind of disappointing and not what I would want from a brand. This just did not help me in any way. I'm also using their shampoo, and it's not helping me with my flaky scalp at all, and this one did nothing for my hair. Like, I didn't feel like my hair was conditioned enough. It's just a very mediocre condition. If you have hair that's pretty oily and gets weighed down, then maybe you can look at it. Like, I won't really recommend it. But the third hair care empty I have is something I would highly recommend. This is the Dove hair mask. Now they have changed up the packaging. They now have the 10-in-1 thing, and even that is amazing. I tried that one out. This is the predecessor, and this was so good, you guys. First of all, it smells really nice. I really like Dove ka fragrance. It just reminds me of my childhood, so that is that. But this was such a beautiful hair mask. Dove hair masks have been killing it. They've been killing it. They're so beautiful. This was the intense damage repair variant, and now, as I said, they have the 10-in-1 thing. Even though 10-in-1 is a little like 10 things, really you're gonna write smooth hair, frizz-free hair, shiny hair, and like call them 3 different things. I know they're 3 different things, but they're kind of like the similar thing. Healthier hair, stronger hair. You can write more things like this and call it like 50-in-1. But the point is that this is a nice hair mask. If you want to go for Dove hair mask, you can. They're really nice. I liked it for my straight hair. My mom liked it for wavy hair. So you have 2 stamps of approval right there. Let's move on to Bath and Body now. But I'm going to be completely honest with you all. I haven't finished a shower gel this month by using it as a shower gel, but I've been using a lot of my older shower gels as hand washes, and that's how I finished these 2 shower gels up. Let's go one by one. I have the Scent Devon's Alphonso Mango with Vanilla Beans shower gel, and this is such a beautiful shower gel. I have previously used it as a shower gel, but I still had a lot of it to go, and honestly the expiry dates and all weren't really working along with me, so I use my older shower gels as hand washes because I need a lot of hand wash around my house. So this was a great option. It smells so beautiful, you guys. I don't even know if this is available any longer or not, but this is summer in a bottle alongside with a little bit of sweetness of the vanilla. Like, of course, Alphonso in itself is pretty sweet fragrance, but this was such a nice fragrance, and it's a very moisturizing gel based shower gel as well. I really enjoyed this. Even as a shower gel, you can definitely go for this. It is beautiful. And so is the other one that I finished. This is the Body Cupid Pink Lotus Bath and Shower Gel. This, honestly, the fragrance, it's so high-end, so luxurious. It's sweet. It's a little bit of fruity, not fruity, but it's floral, and it's such a girly girl high-end fragrance. That's what I feel about this. I still have this in my washroom as my hand wash, and I absolutely love to wash my hands with this because they make them smell so good, so good. But yeah, I really like this. This wasn't as old. I don't think this was, oh, this is manufactured in November of 2020, so this was kind of old, but yeah, highly recommend. Now the next thing I finished isn't really Bath and Body, but I used it in Bath and Body. This is the Banila Co. Hi Bye Cleanup Blackhead Stick. Now, I bought this when I was in Korea, and at that point of time, walnut scrubs was still the thing. So this was basically a stick scrub that you can use for your pores and like scrub your face out. Now, I don't really do walnut for my face. So what I did was I used it on my elbows where I have a lot of ingrown hair. I can't show it to you right now. Oh, this leaf can go up. But yeah, I have a lot of bumps right here. So I was using it on my elbows, and that's why I was able to finish this one off, because I had a lot of it. But using it on your elbows every single single day is just going to do the trick. So if you have a physical exfoliant lying around your house that you're not using and you don't know what to do with it, use it on your body. Exfoliate your body and get done with that product and move it out of your home, your collection and everything. Now, I don't have a lot of products to show with you guys when it comes to the facial cleansing category because I have been trying out a lot of new face washes, scrubs and all of that, but I still have 3 of them to share with you guys. The first one being yet another bottle of my Garnier Micellar water. Now, I've talked about this a million times. I really like this Micellar water. It works, it's affordable and it's just gentle overall. I know not a lot of people love balms and oils because some of you do get like stingy eyes with it. So this is a great option to have, and if you just want to try it out, they have mini sizes as well. So you don't have to invest all of your money. Even though this is affordable, any amount of wastage is still wastage. If you don't end up liking it, it's just a mini that you won't have spent too much money on. So try that one out. And if you already love it, then there are bigger size options available as well. So you don't end up buying a multiple plastic bottles. So I like having that freedom. So I finished that one off. I don't think I have a lot more to say about this because I've talked about this, as I said, a million times. And I know you guys might be also getting bored of seeing this being repeated in my empties so many times. I'm going to keep that down. The second product I finished comes from Colorbar. This is their Blue Light Defense Resurfacing Instant Scrub Facial. And I don't know what Colorbar is really doing with their life because they had this weird phase where they were just launching pouches and now they have like an XO range which is more affordable range. So I got to check out what they're doing because I'm kind of confused. Because at one point Colorbar was like the brand to go for, and now no one is even talking about it. But coming back to this, I wasn't really impressed. This was like a gel-based scrub with like charcoal beads in there, and it didn't really do much for my skin. I didn't feel like it was exfoliating my skin well, and it was tingling on my skin, so I won't really recommend this one. Not a big fan. I've been loving physical exfoliants, but this one was not it. The next empty, however, is it. This is the Simple Vitamin C Glow Clay Scrub. Now, as the name suggests, it's a clay mask and a scrub 2-in-1. So you can scrub your face with this, and this does have like bamboo particles in there, so they're not harsh on your skin. And then you can leave it on as a clay mask. So it's a 2-in-1. I have talked about this previously. I really like it. However, I do feel like Simple is going to be discontinuing this. So if you see this in stock, get it because I highly recommend it. It's a nice product. I don't know why they're thinking about discontinuing it. I really don't know. But yeah, I had to cut the tube to clean it out completely, and I finished it fully because I really enjoyed it, and I'm getting back into that physical exfoliation life, and I'm here for it. And now it's time for my skincare empties, and thank God for samples. Otherwise I would have had to say skincare empty because I only finished one product, and that is something I don't even like. So let's start with that product, which is 82E's Patchouli Glow Sunscreen Oil. Now I do have a full review on this, so I'm not going to go in depth. In a nutshell, I don't understand the concept. I don't like the product. I won't recommend it, but I did end up spending my own hard-earned money on it. So I use it as a nighttime oil because sunscreen oils in my brain, the math doesn't math. You can watch my review if you want to know my thoughts about this in depth, but as I said, I use this as a nighttime oil and it was okay in that case, like very okay. Again, I won't really recommend this, so that is that. The second product I finished is this L'Occitane oil in serum, and I don't think I got the full experiential out of this sample because a lot of these serum beads are still stuck inside to the tube and everything, so I didn't really get to know what I felt about this product. Now I do have a full size of this, so I will be trying out because I know a lot of people love the Immortelle range. They swear by it and I want to as well. I don't actually, because that would mean I would have to spend like more money on it and everything. You know how it gets. We're a little cheapy people in here. So yeah, this is something I don't really have my thoughts on. I really don't. Then I have two lip balm empties. I'm telling you guys, this is a very random empties video, okay? So I have the Sebamed Lip Defence SPF 30 completely finished up. I really like this lip balm. I've talked about this lip balm previously. It's affordable, it's beautiful, it moisturizes your lips. It's just a top-notch lip balm. It's clear as well, so if you don't like the tinted lip balm life, which I don't know why you wouldn't, then this is the one to go for. Another clear lip balm I finished is the Chapstick Total Hydration Soothing Oasis flavor variant, and this again completely scraped out, completely finished because again I really like this. Both of these actually are very similar when it comes to the texture. It's not like a hard chapstick, it's a very soft, almost like semi-liquid, wherein like as soon as it comes in touch with your lips, it just turns into this gorgeous melting pot of jelly, not jelly, oil. not oil. It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. Both of these lip balms are great if you want something to wear underneath your lipstick that won't change the color of your lipstick, would make sure your lips are protected and moisturized throughout the day. Absolutely love. Guys, I finished 2 makeup products up and both of them are lip products. And I think that's a big achievement from any standard. Look at any standard book and that is going to be a big achievement. And one of them is a lipstick nonetheless. This is my third lipstick empty. And of course, it had to be Maybelline Creamy Matte in the shade Mysterious Mocha. And this shade has been my favorite since forever and a half. I don't know why they discontinued it and then never reintroduced this in any of their ranges. It was honestly baffling. But coming back to this, I didn't just go flush with the packaging. Oh no, baby. We dug in deep and we cleaned that lipstick up because I really do like it. Again, this color was so beautiful. I actually have it on my lips right now as well. The last bit of it is on my lips right now and I absolutely love it. So no matter how much I want to repurchase it, I can't. And even if I could, I don't think I would because the amount of lipsticks I have, I really don't need to repurchase anything anytime soon. But this was a beautiful shade. Maybelline team, if you're watching this, get this back in any formulation, any range. Just get this shade back. It's a beautiful shade. Lively Violet and Mysterious Mocha are going to be my ride or die till I die. Till I die? Yeah. And this second lip empty I have was a doozy, guys. It was a doozy and you guys have seen me through it, like struggling. I am talking about my Studio West lip gloss. The packaging is completely wiped clean of the print because that's how much I used it. Towards the end, I was like, where is this lip gloss even coming from? Because I don't see any lip gloss. But it was a beautiful lip gloss nonetheless. I think this was in the shade Rhubarb. I will have to go back and check my own videos because I don't know what this is called, what the name is or anything now because it's been so long that I've been working on this. But I'm so glad that this is an empty. It was a beautiful lip gloss. I actually want to check out more Studio West products because I've heard nothing but great things about them. So let me know what I should be trying out down in the comment section. But I finished this lip gloss up, which is a big yay. And now to finish my video off, I have my perfume empties. This is the largest category in this empties video because I have 4 empties to share with you guys, which is kind of mind-blowing but not really because it was just a matter of time. A lot of these had prior usage in them and they just had a couple of uses left, and so it was just a matter of time and perseverance, honestly. So the first empty I have is called Amber Elixir and it's from Oriflame. Good old Oriflame days, and oh my god, this was such a beautiful perfume. I don't know if it's still available or not, but an Oriflame is an MLM at the end of the day. I don't really support that anymore, but this was so beautiful. It's sweet, it's spicy, it's woody, it's just everything I could ask for in a perfume and more. It's deep, dark, sensual. Just what I like in my perfume. Hits just the right notes, But if you want to go for something similar and not support an MLM, you can go for Plum Body Loving Smoke in Vanilla. This is their travel size that I finished up really quickly. I keep this in my purse and I apply this whenever I feel like a little pick me up because this is such a beautiful fragrance. Again, spicy, vanilla, ambery, all of the right notes. I love my deep, musky, opium-y and, just sensual fragrances. I hope that's pretty clear. I think that's pretty clear, honestly. Then I finished Wink. This was from Avon, I guess. And this, I don't even remember. This was a fruity. This is not my kind of fragrance. I don't even know how I got through this because this is this is too sweet, too fruity, too over the top, too nauseating. Not my most favorite. And the last empty for this video and for perfume category is Love and Joy All Good Scents by All Good Scents, and this was a nice perfume. It wasn't too over the top. It just had the nice mellow notes going on, very zesty, very fresh, but also floral at the same time. Really enjoyed this. I got to try out more perfumes from All Good Scents. I feel like they have a nice collection of perfumes and library of notes and everything, so I've got to try more out. But yeah, that is it. Those were all of the empties I wanted to share with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what did you empty out in this month down in the comment section, and I would love to chat with you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.